Hello, my name's Jacqui Doyle and welcome to Jack's Backyard. Thank you for stopping by, I really appreciate it. On this channel I will be recording my own journey of working out how to buy my food as close to the producer as possible. I'll be learning more myself about wasting less food, so trying to use more of what we buy. We've all got full crispers that by the end of the week seem to have some fairly munky stuff in the bottom of it, so I'll be working out how to use some of that stuff. I have space for a larger garden, but it's still under construction, so I will be showing what to grow in a limited amount of space, and I will be looking at all of these things from a place of joy, as opposed to doing things out of fear. There's lots of fear in the world today, and I'm not adding to it. So if you would like to look at those things with a bit of a sense of humour, then this might just be the place for you. I'm not an expert by any stretch of the imagination. I'm just learning about these things, and these are things that I'm really passionate about learning about, and I think that they're really important. So if these are things that you'd like to learn more about too, then I encourage you to come back again. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.